Why don't we talk, talk, talk? Talk all night until the sun comes up. It'd be you and I feel you love, love, love against mine. We belong together, no, nothing could be better than this. It's been spinning lately, I'm going out of control. Why don't you say it to me? Darling, I need to know. My thoughts are getting crazy, they keep me up all night. The clock is ticking, I'm waiting. Have you lost track of time? I know it's been a while, don't act like you forgot. Don't really talk about you, but I still think a lot. When did you get so stressed out? Or is it that you're scared? Don't let your fear control you. You know I'm always there. Are you overwhelmed? We can pack our bags and leave this town. Don't walk out, come with me and we can leave right now. I can see your heart is heavy, don't give up now, you're almost ready. Remember that night in February when we were in love and all we did was talk, talk, talk. Talk all night until the sun comes up. It'd be you and I feel you love, love, love against mine. We belong together, no, nothing could be better than this. Try not to think too much, there's a whole world to discover. Don't be afraid to trust, just close your eyes and let go. No telling what you'll find, we're still all chasing something, so leave your fears behind. I know you don't need saving, it's never been too late. No need to keep on running from what you can't escape. Look up, the stars are shining, I bet there's one we'll reach. Let's get lost in forever, why don't you come with me? Are you overwhelmed? We can pack our bags and leave this town. Don't walk out, come with me and we can leave right now. I can see your heart is heavy, don't give up now, you're almost ready. Remember that night in February when we were in love and all we did was talk, talk, talk. Talk all night until the sun comes up. It'd be you and I feel you love, love, love against mine. We belong together, no, nothing, nothing better.